So this is how YHWH sounds like. Can you imagine the first word you have ever spoken when you came out of your mother's womb was the personal name of God? And the last word you will ever speak in this life, the last breath you will take on your deathbed, will be the name of God. You will leave this earth when His name no longer fills your lungs. You are calling out His name when your heart is broken and you don't know what else to say. And all you can do is to sob in tears and gasp for breaths. You are calling out His name.